In the previous video to rough the slot, I programmed the tool to ramp in on a 5-degree angle as shown here. When ramping in using this technique, the tool will sometimes chatter as it changes direction at the end of each ramp. If chatter is a problem, the roughing should be changed to start off-center of the slot and include small arcs at each end as the cutter changes direction. In this case, the slot is 51 thou wider than the 3/8 cutter. This means after the cutter removes its diameter material from the center of the slot, there's still 25.5 thou material left on all slot walls. This will allow me to start the cutter off-center by 10 thou and add a 10 thou radial arc at each end while still leaving 15.5 thou for the finish pass. I'll add these changes to the code and the tool path will now look like these simulations. To alter the code, I'll start the tool off-center by 10 thou. And then I'll have it ramp into the part the same as it did in the previous example, following the 5-degree angle. At the end of each ramp, I'll add a 180-degree arc with a 10 thou radius, which will help to minimize the chance of chatter. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to code the finish pass and add a spring pass.